Kebelai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentaka Shillong, ra kusnan ke film Haling Carboning, the Elysian Field, haka 47th Moscow International Film Festival. Abusab snem yat dan di kejakari konsert SOS Children's Village Shillong. IFIR Dr. Alok Singh, your President NEHU, Samla Sandy Sotun bat sangut kiwepan. Bat Shinkia ke NEHU ye ke jinsyak tak aktif Dr. Alok Singh entokit ye ke kekam. Bat mentangin pasya ke Khubor bakam banyak. Keplim khasi kebela ai kerteng Haling Carboning, the Elysian Field, kebela yorung harinsan tamasa peni film bahe jong keperthai ke 47th Moscow International Film Festival arajar arpusan, bat kelara e ke kusnam Netpack Jury Award kum ke Best Asian Film. Kajing sarong ke bakam kraw syuk-syuk ikini ke film, ke longru bakalayo ke kusnam Best Film but Best Director ha ke main competition jong kini ke tamasa peni film ke bahe jong ke perthai ke Moscow Film International Film Festival arajar arpusan. Kajing yo kini ke film ye kini ke kusnam ke bahe ke dei halor ke jingbit ke khana bat kajing nang ban ringdur namar kini ke film ke lala ban peni ki dur jong kajing em bat kajing yap lingba ki kentin poetry ki ba peni tanat syuk-syuk ye kini ke film. Ya kini ke film lepin bit penbiang do ba Pradip Kurba away ni kinokshna film balapau jong ke Jylla bat lepin mi ye kini ke film da ke Kurba film ringkat kajing kershan na ke Hello Meghalaya ke Pomus New Horizon, ke Kenup Creative, bat ke Cat and Mouse Entertainment. Kiting shop kipuron ki bayadon benta kini ke film, kilong uba Richard Kharpuri, ke Kong Helena Dua, ke Kong Baya Marbanyang, uba Albert Mauri, bat uba Melvin Mukim, bat kiwe-kiwe. La ban kedau, ba ke 47th Moscow International Film Festival kalalong hanong ba Moscow, Russia, naduk ke Katnyau terik, haduk ke Arpusau terik Iaiong. Ke SOS Children's Village kedai ke ying ke beri bersumari ki kena ki belasa akun sweat bat ki bamdan syuk ki ban pej ban ri ban sumari ki bat ha kini ke Jylla kum kini ke ying ke don ha yam ha ke linti ban kiu syulum sopet beneng ke bela tip kum ke SOS Children's Village Shillong ke bela seng ha ke snem kat kendai spak kendai Minta ke senem arjar arpusan kini ke ying ke beri ke shispak sampusan ngut ki kena kalapen kut no ek jing rakhe jong ke jing dap arpusan senem kenti nadu bela seng ye ka. Da ke jing rakhe ke ba ipo iping ke bela pelong ha ke arpusan terik mentau benai Iaiong arjar arpusan. Ha kini ke jing rakhe lawan bania don ringkat do menteri sorkar bakmi ke tanat social welfare bat ki wede ki tanat uba polling do ubala long ku mukong san ha ke jing yelang ringkat ke jing don lang u CEO ke SOS Children's Villages India usumanta kar bat ki wede ki nong pet nong kmi jong kini ke ying. Habakren ha kini ke jing yelang uba polling do ulai khublai kerpang ki nong ri nong sumar ha kini ke ying kamtam ki long kemi ki bahap ban shim ke kamram kum ke kemi ban ri ban sumar ban penhe pensan ni ki khon ki basa ha kini ke ying kenthop ki kenthai bat chinrang tang ha ka ba ai bam bat pensum pensat yaki henry ban penhe pensan ringkat ke jing nang jing start bat ke jing tip briu tip blek Uba polling do ula kularu bana kaliang ke sorkar kan persyang ban ai ke jing kershan kat bala ai kini ke ying. Lapeni po iping ye kini ke jing yelang da ke jing shim benta shidram ki kena jong kini ke ying da ke jing ruai bat jing sha.
Wealth in this world is not to be found in the Amazon Valley, is not to be found in the gold mines of Africa, but the greatest wealth in this earth can be found in cemeteries. A lot of people with brilliant ideas never wrote their books, never composed their songs, never lived their dreams. They died with those ideas. But you, as SOS, as a family, are a difference maker. The difference being that you did more than just ideating. You did more than build dreams in the air. but you put foundations on those dreams, which is why today we have been able to travel this journey. As we lit the lamp, that one has lived his dreams and made a difference. I'm particularly thankful to the mothers who are here. One of them has just narrated a soul-stirring story of how she took care of 25 children. There is a saying, who is a mother? A mother is someone who carries you for 7 to 9 months in her womb, carries you in her arms till you are 15, till you are 16, and carries you in her heart for the rest of your life. That's a mother. Just another strange locale on the map, but you've identified, you've seen this place grow, and I'm proud as Meghalaya's Minister in charge of Tourism, Arts and Culture and Textiles and Social Welfare. I'm proud to say this, that in the last 25 years, many years, 50 plus years of our existence as a state, we have made spectacular achievements in diverse fields. As we spoke, I just narrated to Mrs. Sudha that our locally weaved shawl, Rindia, has just got the GI tag. Our turmeric is the world's best. It also has got GI tag.
Dr. Alok Singh, Assistant Professor Hindi Department, Hanot Eastern Hill University, NEHU, ulai the first information report FIR yo President ka NEHU su Samla Sandy Sotun, but sangut kiway pat ki bawla keno bigilak tak ti u hakamra office, but ki berngem ban shim ye kajing jong u. Kini kajing syak tak ti niu no hikai kalajia Khubor ar saupasan baje janmit ha ka arpusaw trip Iaiong, haba kani ka kinhon ha ka jingelam u president ka neusu kala rung jubor ha kamra office jong u bat khang talay u hapo bat kilak takti u da ka bapin up da ka kanshi na rendang jong uni unong hikai. U Dr. Singh ula mensaw na kli niki kejat pat nakikti na kani ka jingja. Lara marmari u Dr. Singh sa Shillong Civil Hospital. Ula her serngiw haduk kata-kata bat sngau shngan syu bansa ha campus jong ka NEHU. Ula kerpat ia kejingeda na kipulit ke sorkar Meghalaya. Ha kejingnya kenduk bekilat pathai Khubor, u Dr. Singh ula kerpat ia ke sorkar Meghalaya ban ai kejingeda ye ki weipat kinohikai jong kani ke skul ba. Namar lada kani kejing syak takti kala jaya u kala ru banja ye ki weipat kinohikai. U Professor Divish Walia na Geology Department NEHU ula kren kilat pathai Khubor halor kani kejingja da ke bekeli kum kini kejingja bas ngau si bat ngau kia mensim kawan rak shibun kejingkli kiba kumnu ki Samla puli ki sandur na kebenta kalawai. Ulo ong kini ki beriu ki baktakti u Dr. Singh ki ngau thu bakla bekino hikai ki persya eki Henry kamlong kumta. Ngidon hang ni amban persya eki Henry ngithrang bat ang not ban kentiu ye ka NEHU. Bat ulo ong ru bangala syakri kini gathan na lai pesan snem tam menta. Ulo ong ru ngim tepi ke jingja kini ke skul ba bat ke jing sliang bat jing ang not jengi ke longkum kino hikai ban ai ke jing nang jing tip baken sai tam ya baru ki Samla puli jong kini ke skul ba.
Chamber and some incident that NEHU Su president and 5 members coming in my chamber and close my door and I say ki what happened? So he says ki no, not anything. Please sit down and don't speak anything. And then 2 person that take hold my hand and then beat me. And that continuously that beating me and in my hand, in my leg, in my head is beating me. And many times I say, "Ki, what happened? Please tell me what happened. Like, don't speak anything. You're doing here politics." So I say, ki, I am feeling very bad because I'm not doing anything wrong work, and then uh, some student came and beat me. This is good, yeah, bad. Please decide, all people, because I am mentally and healthily and physically I am very feeling bad. I'm not properly speak because as a teacher I'm not that imagine this type incident in my life. So please, I ask, please provide security because I am feeling not good. As a teacher, I'm not that mentally feeling good. So I say, please for me give justice, because as a teacher, anyone come in the NEHU campus and beat the teacher, this is not good. So all people, I say, I am wrong. Please say no. I am wrong. Then I listen all things. But no any reason you come the office and then beat me. This is not good for me. And last I say, please give the justice, because as a teacher I am not feeling good. The teacher is suffering problem, and then someone coming beating in India. This is not my culture. This is not my thought. Please cooperate me and justice be security provided for me. Thank you.
Maria yo jing tip ya jing syak takti jong Dr. Alok Singh unong hikai Hindi NEHU ubala ai ke FIR persya u Samla Sandy Sotun President NEHU su bat sangut kiwepat. NEHU marmar kalarai bantau ya ke inquiry committee bantok kit ya kini ke jingja. Ya kini ke Khubor laithu paiba do Dr. Davidson Pingrop Public Relations Officer PRO jong kini ke skul ba. UPRO ulo ongru ia kidukot jangkane ke committee bat ia kapor bahkan submit ia ke report in sepen bena hadi. UPRO ulo penrem ia kene ke jingja bat ulo ong. Kibor ke NEHU kilayo jingtip ia kene ke jingsha takti kirunar ya Dr. Singh ha kapor janmit. Ya menta kene ke jingja kadon hakti jeng kipulit ki banle ke jing tokit badon kam bantip ia ke jing shisha ulo ong.
Kalau poin kajing tip sa ki administration baga dan kajing ja hakaba iwe I nong hikai I sha assault physically te katkum kajing ong jong tau nong hikai ong ba de ki khna rengim tip satya ba de manu te hakane ka pot ki tu khna u professor u nong hikai jong ka Hindi department ula file ya ka FIR siya ka Mompedro outpost but ki pulit ki dang ya wat ya ka daw balay ka ja kum ka jinja ka campus jong ka university mangi na kaliang ka NEHU but ka administration nim kwa ba kum kini ki jinja kanja campus jong ka university ka jaka ule puti de ngi kwa ba kinong hikai but kumjo ki khna kindan ha ka safety ka security but ni kerman bakum kini ki jingja kinom jashu ha kani university ha apo campus of the university but ka university ru menta kadang form ya ka committee ban pet ban wat ka daw ka baja kum ka jingja te nginda form ya ka committee kan sa wat ka daw but menta ngimla ban kamen manu ba klan ka jingja manu ba le manu ba khamle ngimla ban ong tikna ya ki nong le mo kat kumba ong tai nong hikai mata kani ka por nisu kwa ban ong ki pai ba ka NEHU kade ka jaka ban kule but ka university ka condemn yakum kita ki jingle ne jingye show ka hakaba physical altercation ka kadan ha ka university ngim ko bakan dan community jingja tingi kermen maka pulit kan kan yo ya ka solution ya kan yo man buat ya ka daw ka jingja jong physical altercation hapadang kini ki ahmad
kan fiang form ya ka committee de kadai lanu
ka committee kan sa form da ka da vice chancellor in charge in sa form ya ka committee but in sa bu ya ki members ha atu ki ka committee pada kin sadan ki nong hikai ki members na ki association group ki kan sa wat ya ka daw balai ba ka ja ka ja
ya so bau ini no hikai kena ba bau presiden jong ka NEHU su don kti ban chwa
ngim la ban ong tikna manu badan kti manu bamdan kti te ngila ban ong tang ya kata hi ba ngim dan ha kata ka por ha kata ka jaka te tang itu ki witness ki badan ham tu ki la ban ong ngim dan ni shu yo snow na ini nong hikai ba dan ki kena ki ba jerong kti ya i te kani ki nyawat ha ki kulit kadika kam jo ki kulit ban wat ha bat ka
Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society MSRLS haka arpasan trik Iaiong kalapan kutno ikajingya linti bani ajing hikai halor kaposhan pakwada haka than Eastern West Khasi Hills District da kajingya lang kabalapulong Hatirot Singh Memorial Hall pending umyong mairang. Hakini ka program la don lang uba riwe kupar karsentiu ba bats kems imli ka kong di flora paryong kinoyalam pikidkot ka VO, VHC, SHG bat na kiwe na kanika district. Hakani ka sngi la yo ru ka report na ki group jang ka maut hat rashan bat na mairang block ki balatere shitam ban na ajing hikai shikipat ba halor ka bam temet shikilong kmi ki ba armet bat ka jing pet benya ya ka jing he jing san jang ki kholong. La hikai ru ikipat ba bantung ki jhur ba temet saudong saukun ki ying shong ying sa jang ki. Lahikai ki kimi ban besai ki khulung de ki jingbam batay met baki yo na kalingkha bat na lakpe. Na lor kata hagini ka program lasa mi ki sernot chabaro ki dukot ka VO VHC CLF bat ki wei ki seng 3 months ngobha ki blatre shitom ban pen priang khubor ban ajing hikai shikipat ba hakishnong ki thau jong kani ka district.
Ki Shillong labor do spa report kali ti tim idan do si spa sapue ti kumba ong ada kidang sya kemun ba mok dang sa district ngin sedang ban cover biang hakiniki sniki banwan ti ni suban ai kuble sibun khaktam yaki kada jami hoi tang kabdi tang kamram joki CHA renewable social action committee bladon nang akan tenang taki social action committee nang taki LRP ki livelihood kadas bagi ki kadas kiba pro arti ki blog kiba dan lang akan di
Haka arpusan trik Iaiong Kekenci Pelun Sports Association ringkat ka office DSO West Khasi Hills kalapan kot ikalumpung second Kenci Pelun Inter-School Sports and Athletics Meet arajar arpusan na kabenta ki kena school hagijingil akai ka ipo iping bat ba isyong kun. Yakani kalumpung lawan ban penha perda do MDC ka maukar pentor umkra uba strong pillar Khuborjylla chairman ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ha kajinge don lang UMDC Kamaut Hat Rashan Constituency uba Powell Soklet kinong kitkam ke association bat kumju kinong tre kataran DSO kinong hikai ki kimi kikpa bat ki kena school na po kani kadong kathan uba strong pillar Khuborjylla habakren kumukong san ha kini kesngi ulong baka sports kalong kabakong san ha kani kajuk menta namar ka sports kamde shu tang ka jingkilan met Henry ka plelat ha ka yo kam yo jam Ulong ladaki kena school kila ban penpau ha kenu ka jingile kai sports tang hapo national level kalabiang baka sorkar kan itu bat ban kenti wiki ha kijungile kai. Ulo ongru bon kidon ye kesap ha ki benta kidi ban shim kia shimet ban penjana ye kesap ka bekidon namar balada penjana klempet kin sapoi syakathong.
Babi ha ka Jylla na joki pide ban bu swa ya kathong hakmat joki namar laga ubriu lani ka briu kimkan ya kata kathong kalong sabae yaki banpat syata andai laga ibu ya kathong kamensim joki kan skut Bat kamensim joki kan pelang ya bi ban tresitam ban minat hop ban punpoy ya bi sya kata kathom namar kata kadau kum ki khana school na kentu ya bi balada pia shembenda haka sports lani haka jingkule joki ha ki school pidai bambu di ya kathong hakmat jomhi bangangai skam lada pipu ya kathong hakmat laptop ha kawe kasi tin sapoi sya kata kathong kaba piano जैसे हका जलाई चुगी लगे करंट सुता बस चपन बस्को ओ नकी की खम सुसना बले करंट तंग या का फुटबॉल अनरे गनों ये भी का स्पोर्ट्स ही बारो का दे कबा प्लीलंती भा हा कने का जुक का बमंता कम दे शु तंग का फुटबॉल कबन प्लीलंती यही lada bilang tang unang ya mare thongro kala ban plilenti yaki lada bilang tang unang kawan javelin throw kala ban plilenti yaki lada bilang tang unang kawan ya discuss through shot put lani 100 meter race lani high jump long jump punta terter lada pi penjana yang kata kasat kebapidan halal tay bentaro kalabiang nyepi berkumpoi sya kata katam banangan skap pada bibi simtia dulu kene karta kebapi bidang ren hakano ke sports kebapi piano lampak kumpoi sya katam bon bidang yelekai haka pertai kilala ban kamai kilalong sisa kita ki baruspa tang nakat tang banlong unong kawang javelin throw lani banlong utau nomare 100 meter race lani banlong utau discus through lani banlong kita ki boxer tunta tata
Bat dakini ki khubor ngilapoi syakabakot tak hadu bagi syambiang kuble syabot